දසන කාන්ති චූර්ණය සහිත ලීවර් ආයුෂ් දන්තාලේපය දත්වල ඇති ප්‍රශ්න 10ක් වළකයි.
According to the Department of Meteorology, the weather condition is likely to lead to showers at times in eastern province, while fairly heavy showers above 50 millimeters can be expected in some places. Speaking about the impact of the low pressure area to Sri Lanka, Director of Forecasting of the Department of Meteorology, Dr. Shiromani Jayawardena said that fair weather is likely for most areas of the country with a few exceptions, while warning the naval and fishing community on showers or thunder showers which will occur at times in the deep and shallow areas off the coast extending from Kankasanthuri to Batiklo via Trincomalee.
Under the influence of this system, strong winds up to 40 to 50 kilometers per hour can be expected at times over northern, north central and eastern provinces. But we do not expect much showers. A few showers are likely in the northern, north central and eastern province, and mainly fair weather will prevail elsewhere over the country. Regarding the sea areas surrounding the island, naval and fishing communities are advised not to venture into the deep and shallow sea areas of the coast extending from Kankasanthuri to Batiklo via Trincomalee until 21st November.